Hello students, today we will start our chapter number 15, Interface Python with MySQL. So it means how we can connect our Python program to MySQL database. So our today's topic is connecting to MySQL from Python. So how we can connect MySQL with Python program. To create database connectivity with Python, we use following steps. So we use following steps. First step is our start Python, then import packages required for database programming, open a connection to database, create a cursor instance, execute a query, and extract data from result set and clean up the environment. So we will discuss all these steps one by one. Now first step is start Python. So first of all we start our Python editor like Python ideal. So first we start our Python. We start Python editor where we want to create Python scripts like Python ideal. Then second is import mysql.connector package. So first of all we need to import mysql connector package because all the functions or method required for database programming we need to import this particular package. So what is the package? To import MySQL connector package. So all the functions which are used for connecting database MySQL, we need a package which is called mysql.connector package. To do this we use following command. So what is the command? Import mysql.connector, or we can use mysql.connector as and whatever variable name we are using, like in this example we is using SQL TUR. Now third step is open a connection to MySQL database. So now after importing this particular package we need to establish connection to MySQL database using connect function of MySQL connector package. So we will use connect function. So when this connect function required 4 parameters like my connection variable name SQLTR connect, and this has 4 parameters. First is host, which is a local host. Second is user is always our user for MySQL is root, password is blank, and database. So whatever database we want to connect we will use this. In this our example we will use school database. Now our fourth step is create a cursor. A database cursor is a special control structure that facilitates the row by row processing records in the result set. So if you want to process record row by row, then we will use a special method which is called as cursor. To create a cursor we use this method cursor equal to mycon.cursor. Execute the SQL query. Once we have created a cursor, now we can execute the SQL query using execute function with cursor object. So cursor dot execute, which is equals to select star from detail. This is our SQL query which we want to execute. It will display all record of detail table. Now we want to extract data from result set. The result set refers to a logical set of records that are fetched from database by executing an SQL query and made available to the application program. So if you want to fetch all the records, now that time we will use these following functions. First function is fetch all. This function will return all the rows. So all the record from database table we will use fetch all. Fetch many. So our second method is fetch many. So it will fetch all record. Fetch many. This method will return only the n number of rows from the result set in the form of tuple containing the records. So it will, like if we write here 3, then it will display only first 3 rows of the table. And our next function is fetch 1. So this method will return only one row from the result set in the form of tuple containing a record. And our last step is clean up the environment. After we are through all the processing, in this final step we need to close the connection which is we establish. So now here we have example. Write a Python program that display all the fetch from the detail table of MySQL database school. So we have a database school. In this we want to display all records of detail table. So our first step is, after the starting Python, we write import MySQL connector. We import the package, then we open the connection with using connect method. So like this, localhost, user, password and database. After this we will check that connection is open or not. So what I write here, mycon dot is connected equals to false, then error connecting to MySQL database. Cursor equal to mycon dot cursor. Now we using fourth step, cursor is open. Now we can execute our query. Then now we are fetching all the records of the detail table and we are printing the records. So after the executing this program, all the records of detail table will be displayed in the form of tuple. So today we learned how we can connect MySQL with Python and what are the following steps, and we will learn the particular program.